Okay, day 3 was really very interesting, and I wanted to build this game ever since I watched Sheldon play it in the Big Bang Theory.
Kill troll. With what? With sword. You don't have the sword. Good golly, it's as if it's actually happening to me.
And yeah, this is a very very small version of it, but in future I guess I'm gonna make a bigger version of it. Anyways, the game basically is that we will give users some output. Based on that output, user will give us some input, and based on that input we will determine what will be our next output. So yeah, basically a treasure hunt game based on the user input. See yourself, and I'll see you on day 4.
It runs on the world's most powerful graphics chip, imagination.